mag-unboxing dahil no. Dahil may order niya kung na po. Try na mo open. Open na guys, mag-unboxing ta for today's video. So, mag-open. Alis ako sa daan yun. Break na. Okay. So, nagpa-on ko sa ako ang bana sa USB para sa akong laptop. So, that's it. Para ako na mag-update sa akong bana, pwede na siya matukuan. Kaya mahal kaayo mo na makasave me. Dali lang ang bawan. So, what is guys ang akong i-order. Different kind of size. I like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pinati pa 20. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, there's a lot.
Oh, I didn't know that many.
Our like is in the Philippines that we have is only 4, but this one you have a lot different types of
No, there's not
size.
much. That many kids, not some double.
One.
There's some six, not nine.
Retaining brush. So, ganun ba size? Ano siya kung gamiton guys? So, one. And then different kind of size. I'm a professional. Okay?
Okay. I can tell you, I never tried that before.
It's okay. So,
That's always at the end.
don't worry. Just
What is that?
you never experienced like this when you in the Philippines? Huh?
In the Philippines?
Yeah, you've been already.
No, not even in the Philippines.
Super buwan na siya guys. Kaya hindi ko kahibaw. And then where?
So this one is up on the top.
Like that?
Up here, to this line here. And
Here?
then here, and then down. Just to adjust that with the when you go on the other side to do exactly the same.
Where
You wanted to do it.
because you're not the same with
then you have on the other side. So one side, the other side, and then the back, and then the top at the last one. Wow, it's tingling.
Masura man na yung maggupitan. Nireviews ay.
You never had a customer like that? And again, the other way around. You find that?
Wait, not mine now.
Get that. Put that in the. You take this one halfway, and this one in the bottom.
Okay, start na.
Yes.
Hold na, hold na.
Yeah. But you stop at a certain line, right?
Ba na,
No, no, but it comes smaller. But then you have to stop. Maybe you have to come too high and you need to stand up. Saying again, just but still still on me.
So how